right, we are back at it. I don't even know the date today, but it is a Tuesday after the snowstorm. And yeah, we got some snow. There's no doubt about that. I was up in the UP over the weekend from Thursday to Monday. I would have come home on Sunday, but the bridge was closed, so yeah, I was stuck up there. Which, good and bad, whatever. So we left at 4 o'clock in the morning and drove from Big Bay in the UP all the way to St. Ignace, and then from St. Ignace down to home here. And yeah, we left at 4 a.m. at Big Bay, and we got to St. Ignace at 12:30, which is a crazy long time. Don't recommend doing it. It wasn't a good idea, but anyways, we're actually getting a real snowstorm. Yeah, it's interesting. The UP got good snow. It rained, or it snowed and then it rained all day, and then it turned around and snowed again. And it has made a crust underneath this snow, and it sucks. I've been fighting it quite a bit. So far, this hasn't been too bad right this second, but we'll see if it gets any worse. As you can see in front of them doors, that is that stuff's pretty deep. So we're gonna get in here and plow this. I don't have my batteries, so my batteries are missing, so I have to keep the camera in the truck, so I can't set it outside, so, or on the roof or whatever like I normally do, so, which sucks, but what do you do? I think it's in my garage. Oh well. Is very deep. So if you see like an entrance door there, I mean, what's an entrance door height? 7 or 8 feet. That's halfway up. Now, obviously it's a drift here, but still, that is deep. That should be fun to dig out. So my back blade is giving me a fit. It won't raise for me, so I'm fighting with it somewhat right there. And then when I back up and I've got the wings folded all the way back, I'm trying to get it to trying to get behind all the extra snow there, and then instead of pushing it backwards basically. And it was working kinda. That snowdrift was super deep in there. That's actually a loading dock, so yeah, it was really deep in there. We didn't completely dig it out, we just dug out kind of what you seen there. We expect the snow to go away pretty shortly, so which as the time of me editing this video, it's already gone. But we just dug it out a little bit, and within a week or so it was gone, and they don't get that many shipments anyways, so it wasn't that big of a deal. this is a problem. Think we can push it out of the way? That went a lot easier than I thought it was going to. See, there's another one down there. Alright. Tree across the road down here. Well, maybe it'll work. A little more work. We shall see. It was not as low to the ground. And it's very much alive. Woo! The brakes aren't working. Don't know about this one. We're on the wrong side of it. Oh no, I'm breaking my light. Go around it? Maybe. There's another way I could go out and around. There's another road that comes in here, but I really don't want to drive all the way around just for that. I'd rather just stay here and get stuck. And my light just came loose, so now I gotta fix that. Dang it. We might be wenching ourselves out. This thing not enough power to... Yeah, I should have. Should have hit her harder. heading to my wife's, my father-in-law's place. My wife drove into the driveway, and I haven't plowed it yet, and now she's stuck. So I gotta go over here and get her out. My father-in-law don't plow the driveway, I do it, and I thought about coming over here, and then I didn't. So now I'm here. Gotta pull her out. So here we go. Let's go try it out. We'll see if we can rock it out first, I think. But I doubt it. We'll see what we got. Alright, so when I pulled this out, it kind of drug the car towards my truck, obviously. I know that I should have moved the truck out a little bit so it would have pulled it more straight back than into the ditch a little bit. But I was being lazy and didn't feel like doing that. Also, I could have just hooked a jerk strap up and drug the car out that way, but what's the fun in that when you got a winch on the back of your truck? You might as well have fun with it. thanks for watching, everybody. Nothing too exciting here. This is our last snowplow of the year as of right now. So we'll see if we get any wild storms right after this, but more than likely not going to happen. It is 3/31 of 26 right now, so March 31st. So have a good one, guys. We'll see you in the next one.